Hi, welcome to John Makes Honda Cambridge Motorcycles. We have taken in part exchange this fantastic BMW F800 GT, finished in the black. Comes with the red wheel stripes, the red accents for the GT and on the decals. Fantastic belt driven bike with panniers and top box. Single swing arm, and the bike is in really good condition. Comes with 2 keys, a lovely big screen, a real good touring bike this. Comes with the removable pad up here for storage, which can be removed by the Allen keys. We've got the take on take off sat nav, the TomTom. The bike has done 14,583 miles. We've got the electronic suspension, the ESA, with different settings of sport, comfort and normal. Heated grips also. A really good condition bike. It's a 2019 model. We've got the box for the TomTom. We've got all the owner's manuals, service history also. So we've got the running in check done by BMW, 2019 service. We've then got the 2020, 2021, and if my cold fingers let me get there, 22 and also 23. So it's all fully up to date with its servicing. Got the 2 stands, so you've got the normal side stand and you also got the centre stand. This will go through the workshop just to check everything over, tyres, brakes, electronics, just to make sure everything is in perfect working order. And then we'll have it up for sale, ready for somebody to come and view, ride and buy. A bike ready for touring, a bike ready for the summer or earlier with the heated grips. But if you are interested, please don't hesitate. Get on the phone, give us a call here at John Makes Honda Cambridge Motorcycles. Get along, have a ride, have a viewing. Probably get everything you need probably from this video, hopefully. There'll also be pictures uploaded. But if you've got any additional questions, please speak to one of the team. And we'll hopefully be able to answer them questions as quick as possible for you. Thank you very much for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in store.